Guys, I'm here with my HM130. This is a 2019 model. Doesn't really matter. These are just some tips for some portable sawmills for you new guys, and then for people that have maybe been doing it for a while and just want some more pointers. One thing I would suggest, a lot of guys are welding wheels on these log stops to help roll the logs. If you either don't know how to weld or just don't want to take the time to have it done, one trick I learned from the guy I bought this mill from, actually, some 2-inch weld pipe that slides right over, just like that. Make it tall enough that it's going to be bigger than pretty much any log. You'll be amazed at how well the log rolls on that. And I can store them right in the bunks there. Another thing, find yourself a piece of scrap. That helps a lot with logs when you first put them on, before you've got a flat spot. Helps them from rolling off the mill, or just even if your lock slips off the log won't roll away from you while your blade's in it. This is one of my latest additions this year. If you've got DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, whatever, pick up one of these. It's amazing. Works good to blow the mill off when you're done. You can blow the sawdust off your wood real easy, so you don't get like that mold or bluing on your lumber. This is another $20 Amazon purchase that was a lifesaver on these hot 70-degree days. Gives you just enough shade where you stand. It's adjustable and swivels and pretty much every which way. It's a nice sunblock. Get yourself a toolbox. You can put an extra set of wrenches in there for pretty much anything you need to do on the mill. Your torque wrench, gloves. I got a can of brake cleaner here to wipe my blades off when I switch them. Yeah, so those are a few tips. You have a digital readout on this mill and an hour meter. I had that in a previous video you can check out on my channel. I think that's it for now, guys. Stay tuned for some